In this video, I will discuss about how I grow my nails faster in just 3 days. Fast growth tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my top 3 secrets to growing your nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, these tips are game changers. First up, we have nail growth oil. This amazing oil not only speeds up your nail growth but also gives your nails a beautiful shine. All you need to do is rub it onto your nails every night before bed. I promise you'll see results in no time. Next, let's talk about biotin supplements. Adding a biotin supplement to your daily routine can significantly boost the health of your nails, hair, and skin. It's an easy way to give them that extra boost they need for faster growth. Lastly, it's time to incorporate collagen into your routine. Collagen is fantastic for the health of your hair, skin, and yes, even your nails. By adding collagen powder or capsules to some hot water or coffee every day, you'll notice a difference in just a few days. So there you have it, my top 3 secrets to growing your nails faster in just 3 days. Give these tips a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hey there, friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about. How do I feel about my husband? Let's dive right in and explore the 5 reasons why he means the world to me and why I would never let him go. First up is his sense of humor. It truly makes me smile every single day. There's just something about his wit that always puts a spring in my step and brightens up even the gloomiest of days. It's one of those qualities that instantly drew me to him when we first met all those years ago. Can you believe it? And now that we're married, I cherish our shared laughter and inside jokes more than ever before. He truly does get me like nobody else does.